Here I have Google Home, and today I'm going to show you how to set up content filter on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open the Google Home app on your Android device, then go to the your Google Home device, then go to its settings, and here you have to find an option YouTube settings, and here you can enable this YouTube restricted mode, and you can also YouTube TV content filter, and that's how you can filter your content. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.